Is that 2 minutes yet? Hold on a second. Alright, much better. Okay, I'm back. Now, I have always hated brushing my teeth. It's because it's so boring. And you know what they say whenever something's boring? It seems like it takes
forever. Forever. Forever.
Did you get that movie reference? Anyone? Anyone? No one? Okay. Well, that's why we're making a Groot brush.
I am Groot.
Because we figure if we throw in our favorite Guardians of the Galaxy character, Groot, and maybe make him dance a little bit and play our favorite song while we're brushing our teeth, it'll make brushing our teeth just a little bit more interesting. And you know what they say about time. Time flies when you're having fun. They also say time flies like an arrow, fruit flies like a banana. But anyway. Version 1 of our Groot brush was a complete and total fail. But the cool thing about failing in engineering is that you can learn from your mistakes and get better and better as long as nobody gets hurt. You don't want anybody to get hurt when you're making something. So with our Groot brush, version 2 is going to be much better than version 1. In fact, we need one of you to help us with version 2. So if you're interested, we'll put a Make With Us form link down in the description below and have your parents fill that out. And then we also have some really cool video submissions from kids just like you, but we want to hear your thoughts. Are these things that you'd like for us to make, or maybe you have another idea? Anyway, we'll let you be the judge. Check it out. All right, move over, Groot. We need some room. Lemonade maker, treehouse elevator, electric guitar, RC airplane, go-kart, lightsaber, souped up Nerf gun, a pumpkin chunker, baseball pitching machine, auto cat feeder, 3D printer, rocket launcher, and a RC tank. Yeah, so if you'd like to see one of these come to life, just drop a comment below. And then also, if you'd like to help us invent one of these, have your parents fill out the Make With Us form, and we'll also leave a link to that down below. As always, have a wonderful day. Happy inventing, over and out.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Till the counting days until the second call.